Welcome to this tutorial video about ChatGPT debugging in Excel. A note before we get started. Anything we cover today may change tomorrow, or it might have changed right before today. We need to be flexible and adapt. This tutorial uses GPT 4.0. It can also be done with GPT 3.5. We also need to talk about what version of Excel works before we go any further. Microsoft Excel 365 for Windows was used to create this tutorial. Excel for Mac and Excel for Web both work for the steps in this tutorial. The file needed for this tutorial is named datafile.xlsx. You can download it from http://tiny.cc/ai-files. When you open the Excel file called Data File, you will see several worksheets. The one needed for this tutorial is the Formulas GPT worksheet. ChatGPT can help debug and fix formulas by identifying syntax errors, logical mistakes, or inefficiency in existing formulas, and it can offer corrections or optimizations to improve their functionality. Let's walk through a simple example of asking ChatGPT to troubleshoot the formula with an error. Using the Formulas GPT worksheet in cell B31, type equals if D2 greater than 5,000, yes, no, and then press enter. Now we have a formula that is giving us the Microsoft Excel formula error message. In this case, that error message is not particularly helpful. Let's see if ChatGPT can troubleshoot the problem with the formula. Select the formula in cell B32 and hit Control-C, Command-C to copy it. Start a new chat, and in the ChatGPT message box, type what is wrong with this formula, and then hit Control-V, Command-V to paste the formula from the worksheet. ChatGPT responds by telling us that we need to use double quotation marks, not single quote marks. Let's try its suggested answer. Click Copy Code in ChatGPT's response. Go back to our worksheet in Excel. Click in cell B32 and hit Control-V, Command-V to paste the corrected formula. The formula now works. Now you try it. The challenge is that you want the sales rep's first name and last name in cell C83 with a space between the names. Your initial attempt of equals 83 plus B83 returns an error. Ask ChatGPT for assistance. ChatGPT may respond with equals A83 ampersand double quote space double quote ampersand B83, or it may give you the concat function, but it should be able to give you a working formula. Again, you may get a different response. You always need to try out ChatGPT's advice, and if it does not work, tell ChatGPT that and have it try again. Okay, that's it. We are done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Sell-Tietz. Have a great day.